Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. So I'm just about to test out a couple of new additives that I've never used before. And then I thought to myself, hold on, make sure I go ahead and film it just in case I create something that I like. So if you're seeing this video, it turns out I do like it. I'm using a black canvas. This is just a failed attempt at something else I tried. And I'm using two fairly light colors. I've got the neon green and the silver. And the neon green, I've got a little bit of PVA glue as always, a little bit of water, and some of this body oil, which is coconut oil based. And in the silver, PVA glue as well, tiny bit of water, and some baby oil, just plain old mineral oil. So let's go ahead and as I said, I'm testing this. I've never done these additives before, and so we're gonna soon find out just what we get. And the canvas is dry. I'm sure the camera picks that up. This is a painting I did 2 or 3 days ago. I don't even remember, maybe 4. At any rate, didn't turn out how I liked. And so, of course, canvas is still fine, so reuse the canvas. I'm just kind of randomly putting the paint on. Almost done. Alright. That's it for the green, and I think I can get a little more of the silver. Alright, that's it for the silver. So we'll go ahead and torch this. Looks like I got a hunk of something there in that silver. Yep. See, when your acrylic paint gets old, and some of this is years old, it sort of, I don't know exactly, gels together, makes little clumps. And not a big deal, but that was a big one. I don't necessarily want it in my painting. So let's go ahead and swish this around and see what we get. Hopefully I have just enough. Oh, and there's still plenty more hunks of that silver. That silver is older than I thought. Alright, just smooth that around just a little bit more. Check this table. I don't think it's very level. So now I'll just get the edges like usual. And you just take a bit of paint, because certainly plenty drips off. And you just get the sides. In this case, just a tiny smidge on the top here in this corner. Okay. Excuse me. so we still got hunks of that silver in there. See if I can get that. Oops. Go ahead and just dispose of some of these old paints. They're a little too chunky. There's all sorts of little bits all over the place here. Okay, that's almost... I guess there's still a few left. The rest are very small, they're fine. Alright, well that doesn't look too bad so far. I see some cells forming. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, as per usual, let that sit for a little bit. And we'll come back and check it and see just how those additives worked out. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour. I do see a fair amount of cells have formed, so I would have to say that this was a success. And I suspect, had I not used such an old paint, it might have been even more of a success. So I'm going to have to try this again. And as it dries, I suspect more cells will pop up, or open, or whatever. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified anytime I put out a video. And I will see you next time.